Fine. Problem number 28. Let us start solving this. Which two quadrilaterals have both two pairs of parallel sides and two acute angles? So now they have mentioned that is quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals in the sense that is four sides. This is four sides and two pairs of parallel sides. That is parallel sides. Two pairs. Parallel. You need to check out, and two acute angles. Acute angle. So you have to check out with three conditions. First of all, if you take the first example, so here what happens? So A, if you take, this is going to be a 90 degree. So this is not possible. So this is not possible. Here this is also 90 degree. We leave it. Now only we are supposed to take C and as well as D. Here. Suppose if you take this particular thing, here what happens? This both are here acute angles. First condition is satisfied. See, first condition is four sides, right? 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Yes, four sides are there, and parallel here. See, one parallel and as well as second pair of parallel lines. Here also this one and this parallel lines, and this is parallel lines, right? In this case also four sides. Yes, that condition satisfied. Parallel, yes, because this and as well as this is parallel, this is not parallel, so that's what it is going to be cancelled. Only the option C. What? Four sides in parallel, acute angle. What is acute angle? Acute angle measures what? From 0 to 90 degree. That condition satisfies here. Though that's what the answer here is C.